Washington homeowners understand the importance of choosing windows that can handle changing weather conditions while remaining easy to use and maintain. With frequent rain, cool winters, and mild summers, practicality matters just as much as style. Sliding windows, also known as horizontal slider windows, are a smart and functional choice for many Washington homes. Combining simple operation, dependable performance, and clean design, sliding windows offer everyday convenience along with long-term durability. Smooth, effortless operation. One of the biggest advantages of sliding windows is their ease of use. Instead of cranking open or lifting upward, the sash glides horizontally along a track. This smooth sliding motion requires minimal effort, making them ideal for homeowners of all ages. Sliding windows are especially practical in areas such as kitchens above sinks, living rooms facing patios, bedrooms with wide wall openings. Because they don't project outward, they won't interfere with walkways, decks, or landscaping, an important benefit in Washington homes with compact outdoor spaces. Ideal for wider opening, sliding windows work particularly well in wide horizontal spaces where vertical windows might look unbalanced. Their design allows for large glass panels that provide expansive views of Washington's scenic surroundings. Whether your home overlooks lush greenery, wooded areas, or a well-maintained yard, sliding windows create a broad, open look while maintaining structural simplicity. Reliable performance in damp conditions. Washington's climate includes regular rainfall and high moisture levels. Sliding windows are designed with durable track systems and weather-resistant seals to handle these conditions. Modern sliding windows feature tight interlocking sashes, advanced weather stripping, proper drainage channels to direct water away. When professionally installed, they form a secure barrier against wind-driven rain while maintaining smooth functionality. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Energy efficiency is essential for Washington homes, particularly during cool winter months. Today's sliding windows are available with energy-saving features such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas insulation, multi-chambered vinyl frames. These technologies reduce heat transfer, helping your home retain warmth in winter and stay comfortable during warmer seasons. Because sliding windows close tightly along the track, they help minimize drafts when properly maintained. Low maintenance for busy households. Sliding windows are known for their simple construction and fewer mechanical components. With no hinges or cranks, there are fewer parts that require maintenance. Vinyl and fiberglass frame options resist moisture damage, warping, and corrosion, ideal for Washington's damp environment. Routine cleaning of the track and glass is typically all that's needed to keep them operating smoothly. For homeowners who prefer practical, low-maintenance solutions, sliding windows are a convenient choice. Excellent natural light. The wide glass surface area of sliding windows allows generous amounts of natural light to enter your home. Bright interiors feel more spacious and welcoming, particularly during Washington's cloudier days. Larger glass panels also create a stronger visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing everyday comfort. Improved ventilation options. Sliding windows typically open halfway, allowing fresh air to flow in from one side. For Washington homeowners who enjoy fresh breezes during milder weather, this provides effective and controlled ventilation. Screens can easily be installed to keep insects out while allowing airflow inside. A clean, modern look. Sliding windows offer a streamlined appearance that complements both traditional and contemporary Washington homes. Their horizontal lines add subtle architectural interest without overwhelming the home's design. With customizable frame colors and grille options, sliding windows can be tailored to suit your property's aesthetic. A practical upgrade for Washington living. Sliding windows combine simplicity, durability, and performance, qualities that matter in Washington's climate. From their smooth operation and low maintenance to their energy-efficient features and weather resistance, they provide everyday functionality homeowners appreciate. If you're looking for a window style that balances convenience with reliable performance, sliding windows are a practical and smart choice for Washington homes.